Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to start third chapter from your syllabus, that is from physics. Its name is electric current and its effect. So first of all, you must be familiar with that what is electric current. So the electric current is the source of energy which flows from the batteries or the electrical switches to your domestic circuits, and they provide you like the air that is blown by the fan, and they provide you the glow or the light from the bulb and the torches, and it is helpful to work any kind of appliance like to run the TV, that is via remote and via the switches, and the clock, it also works by the kind of flow of charge from the cell. So in this chapter, we will study that what is the electric current and how this current affects us, what are the utilization of the current in our life, and how does a circuit of a flow of current is maintained at our homes or in our domestic life. So, firstly, in this diagram, it is shown that the battery or a kind of cell is connected, which carries two charges. One is positive and other one is negative, and to both the terminals the switch is added, and to the other one the bulb or a kind of glow is added. This representation represents that how when we switch on the current, the bulb glows with the help of this battery, and when we switch off this one, and the bulb stop to glow. So this is shown as this, that you have to redraw this diagram from the upper one, but in this diagram you must draw some kind of symbols which are given to you on the next page, and I will describe you later, but you have to make this diagram by your own while understanding the importance of the symbols and their terminals. Here the next topic is, what is electrical circuit? So the electrical circuit is nothing, it is the closed path which starts from the cell or the bulb, which represents the flow of electric current up to the bulb or any kind of source which shows you that how the current flows through the circuit. A circuit is said to be closed if it forms a continuous path, means the current flows through the circuit. If the current flows through the circuit, means the switch is on. When you on the switch, then the circuit is said to be the closed. When you off it or you open the circuit, then there will be no current in the circuit and the circuit is said to be the open. So two types of circuit are there, closed and the open one. Open one is that in which no current is flowing, and closed one is that in which current is flowing. So all these circuits are formed by three kind of components. First one is said to be the cell, second one is said to be the switch, and third one is said to be the bulb. But the most important thing of these is the presence of the wire. As you know, in your home as well, the wires are the most necessary component of any kind of circuit. Similarly, here in this circuit, the important thing is the presence of the connecting wire. So, what are the utilities shown here? First one is the electrical cell, second one is the electrical bulb, third one is the electrical switch, and fourth one is the electrical connecting wire. So the bulb is nothing. It is a kind of appliance that glows when the current flows through it. Means when the circuit is closed, the bulb glows. Second is the battery. It is the source of electrical energy. It is the source of energy which represents the flow of charge. It means a battery uh, is usually a kind of cell that provides you energy. Whenever you want to form a battery, that can comprise of one cell or can comprise of two, I will describe you later. But importance of these cells ensures the appliance efficiency. Means higher the number of the cells, higher will be the voltage provided. Next are the electrical switches. As you know, at your home, switches is the main motto of the switch is to ensure the current is flowing through the circuit or not. It means it is to ensure that switch is on or the off. If switch is on, then circuit is closed, and if switch is off, the circuit is open. Next, to connect the wire, the important thing is we have to connect all these components shown in this diagram. If we want to connect this, the necessary point is the presence of the connecting wires. Next topic is the circuit diagrams. But just look at these diagrams. In next lecture, we will try to understand that how these symbols are made and how should we memorize these symbols to make the electrical circuit. So electrical circuit or the electrical circuit diagram is nothing. It is a kind of schematic, means a sequential representation of the circuit, starting from any kind of bulb, wire, switch, or the battery. But we cannot draw. We are not here to draw the exact shape of the bulb or the exact shape of the battery. Instead of drawing these diagrams, we just make symbols of these. Means we represent the battery by these kind of short and long lines, and represent bulb by these cross symbols, and switches by this. In this way, number of symbols are present to represent various kind of the components of the electrical circuit. And we must understand here that how these components are attached to each other to form a complete circuit diagram. So as I told you, that closed circuit is one in which switch is on, and the open circuit is the one in which switch is closed. So here it is shown in this diagram. You can draw and understand it very well. Thank you.